guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I wanted to share the new SugarPea Designs release. It's super cute. And also I'll be carrying the Scrapping for Less paper pads in the shop. So I have some designs to share with you as well. So I'm going to start with the SugarPea. Check out the stamp. It's a Bob Ross stamp. Isn't that cute? That is so awesome. So he's available and he's got some great sentiments to go with it. This is the Happy Thoughts. So we've got happy and then all the other sentiments to pair up with that. And then there's a great scripty word, happy, with the outline that you can also coordinate with Bob Ross here. So this one is called Happy Little Trees and it's so cute. So there's the little tree with the face, there's a squirrel, his painting, a paint can, and his paints, and he's got the paintbrush. And the sentiments read, everybody needs a friend, wishing you a happy little birthday. There are no mistakes, only happy little accidents. And then there is a coordinating die available as well. I just love the stamp set. But don't overlook the other stamps in this release because they are really, really cute. But this also coordinates with the Bob Ross. This is the Outdoor Scene Builder. And what I love about this, not only are the edges scene builders, so this is a cloud edge to make clouds. You got your grass edge, you got another cloud edge, and then you got a hill here. And then on the inside, you have like the sun or moon, different sizes here, different size leaves and trees, some clouds and raindrops. And what I love about it is that they're very nice and scaled down to fit on your A2 size card. So that's available. This is super cute. Let's see, this one's called Cottontail Cuties. And it's adorable. We got a cute little fox, a little rabbit presenting that little flower, little duck, and then we've got another little bunny here holding some carrots. There's another little duck, a fence, a patch of, well, these could be four-leaf clovers or clovers, flowers. There's some vines, some carrots sticking out. The sentiments read, you make me smile from ear to ear. I care it about you. I love spending time with you. From my head, tomatoes. Like from my head to my toes. I'm glad we're friends. Thank you a whole bunch and good luck. So it's a really, really cute set. And then there is a coordinating die available for that as well. This set is really, really pretty. This one's called Floral Envy. And it's this envelope with flowers bursting out of it. And they're so pretty. And then we've got the little postage stamp, little butterfly. Then we've got sentiments. Hello, friend. Your kindness makes my soul blossom. So grateful for you and oh, happy day. And then this is the coordinating die. It does come with a bonus smile and its shadow. And then this is really, really pretty for a background. It would look beautiful with the stamp in front of it. And this is just a handwritten letter background stamp and it's really, really pretty. You can heat emboss this and then do some ink blending over the top. That would be super pretty. So that's the SugarPea Designs release. Those are here and ready to ship. And then we've got the Happy Mail paper pad. So I opened one so we could check it out. It comes in a bag. So I like these kind of paper pads because the edges are clean on all four sides. You don't have to rip them out of a pad. And then they're double-sided. They're very nice weight to them. So we've got designs on both sides. Looks like we've got 4 per design here. So really, really pretty paper pads. So this paper pad will go perfect with that stamp set with the envelope. Look at that. How perfect is that? Sending happy mail. So we've got holly berries. I grabbed this one because some people are starting to do Christmas projects. A lot of people like to do Christmas in July and get their Christmas cards out early. So I thought this one was really pretty. We've got puppy hugs and kisses. I thought this was really, really super cute, especially to go perfectly with my Pup in the Cup stamp set. It's got the dog, so that would be really cute to go with that. And then this one is perfect. This is a Springs a Buzzin', and I thought this one would be perfect to go with my new digital stamp set. I just shared it yesterday. So this is called Farmer's Market. It's a digital stamp set that you could download from my shop. But look, it's got the sunflower and the Farmer's Market, and that would go perfect with this. And I just made a card with this, and I put little bees buzzing at the top. So how perfect would this paper pad go with that? I only have one of these. This was the last one she had. This is called Under the Stars. I thought it was super pretty. If you wanted to use it for a background, for like a night sky background, that would be perfect in this too. You don't have to do your ink blending, just put the piece of paper down. So I thought that was really, really cool. And then I love Halloween stuff. This is Frightful Cuties, and this is really cute. I think these would go darling with some Darcy's Halloween stamps. So we've got little ghosts and pumpkins, witches' hats, some postage, really, really cute spiders. And I also love camping stamps, so this would be perfect for camping stamps. There's some cute ones from Sunny's Studio, Darcy's. Look at how cute the little camper and the tents, and then the little wood chopped up with the trees, and then there's some wood here. Always love a gingham. And then Tea Party, I thought would be really cute for tea time buddies, or your, any tea stamps, but this is really cute. Love the little polka dots and stripes. And then there's some really cute patterns. And then I showed that one already, didn't I? Yeah. So those are now in the shop. I'll have the link in the description box for the Scrapping for Less paper and the SugarPea Designs release. So I'm so glad you guys could join me today. I'll have a new video up. I'm working on this really cute gnome from Jessica Lynn Original. She has this available on her website as a free digi download. And I'm going to color up this hat for you guys and do a little tutorial and show you how I get the hat to look all crumpled. So I will talk to you guys real soon in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye, everyone.